The OWU Connection to me is an opportunity in which I can both connect my career experience to real life. My favorite OWU Connection experience is I got to go on a spring break service trip to Houston, Texas. I was the service leader for that trip. And we spent some time with the St. Bernard Project, which is a disaster relief organization. We helped somebody rebuild their home after Hurricane Harvey happened in 2017. It was very fulfilling, and although I didn't get to meet the individual who owned the home, I definitely know I made an impact on them.
Since I have an environmental background, my intentions on going there as well was to see how disaster relief affected certain communities as climate change becomes a more pressing issue. So I've been able to build more robust connections with faculty members as well as different staff members here, which is definitely very fulfilling. I feel like I'm more a part of the community.